Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 beginner cameras. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Number 5, Best Cheap Camera, Sony DSC-W800. The Sony DSC-W800 is our pick as the best cheap beginner camera. The camera is equipped with a 7.76mm Super HAD CCD sensor that captures 20.1 megapixel images at 0.52 frames per second and records 720p video at 30 frames per second. Its 26mm wide-angle lens lets you capture the whole scene, while its 5 times optical zoom gets you closer to the action. Shooting great photos and videos is easy with the vivid 2.7-inch TFT display, which lets you view your stills and playback movies with minimal effort. The camera has a 100 ISO to 3200 ISO sensitivity range and up to 1/1500th shutter speed. Advanced flash gives boosted sensitivity for brighter looking pictures, and 5cm macro focus distance lets you capture subjects clearly even when they're extremely close. Use the built-in picture effect technology to choose from various picture modes, and activate the built-in party mode to let the camera automatically adjust key settings to produce vibrant party photos. A dedicated movie button makes shooting video simple. You'll be able to capture blur-free 720 HD images with digital sound at the press of a button. You can also use 360 sweep panorama to have the camera stitch together a high-speed burst of frames to create an amazing panoramic image. If you're looking for a cheap and easy-to-use camera, be sure to check out the Sony DSC-W800. Number 4, Best Action Camera, GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is our selection as the best action camera. The device is equipped with a 20 megapixel camera that uses super photo and an improved HDR to capture crisp, pro-quality photos and can record up to 5K video at 30 frames per second. It has stereo audio and uses 2 microphones to capture sound. The camera has a 1720 mAh rechargeable battery and is waterproof up to 33 feet. A new front display provides live preview for selfies, and a rear touchscreen delivers intuitive controls. The camera can use numerous mods, including the Max Lens mod that delivers max hypersmooth stabilization and max superview, the Media mod that adds a directional mic, the Display mod that provides an extra large flip screen, and the Light mod that gives you LED lighting. Hypersmooth 3.0 with horizon leveling offers more stability when capturing the action. In hindsight, captures up to 30 seconds of footage before you start recording. Capture up to 240 frames per second for astonishing 8 times slow-mo, and use Time Warp 3.0 to get mesmerizing time-lapse videos with speed ramp to slow the action while recording. Schedule when to begin recording with scheduled capture, and select the length of time you want to record with duration capture. If you're looking for an action camera with all the best features, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is it. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video so far. Let us know in the comments below what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 3, Best Vlogging Camera, Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is our recommendation as the best beginner camera for vloggers. The camera uses a 3:2 aspect ratio and is equipped with a 1-inch Exmor RS sensor that captures 20.1 megapixel images at 24 frames per second and records up to 4K video at 30 frames per second. You'll be able to take amazing pictures as well as video with the pin-sharp Zeiss 24-70mm lens and powerful Bionz X image processor. The 7.5cm vari-angle LCD touchscreen flips out horizontally, making it perfect for selfies and vlogging. The camera has a 100 ISO to 12,800 ISO sensitivity range and up to 1/2000 shutter speed. Its fast hybrid autofocus system with 315 face detection and 425 contrast detection points lets you quickly switch focus from your subject to the background, while AI technology lets you track your subject with real-time eye autofocus and real-time autofocus tracking. Use the bokeh switch to easily select between a pro-quality, defocus background, or keep the entire scene in focus with just the press of a button, and create product reviews for your YouTube or Instagram channels using the product showcase setting to widen the camera, angle, and focus on the object. Capture clear vocals with the camera's unique directional 3-capsule mic, and install the supplied windscreen to reduce wind noise for worry-free outdoor shooting. You can also use a mic of your choice with the microphone jack and multi-interface shoe. Make every movement more cinematic with super slow motion video or use interval shooting to make time-lapse videos. Download the Imaging Edge mobile app to transfer, edit, and upload images instantly to social media, and crop, reframe, or apply enhanced stabilization for shaky videos with the Movie Edit add-on. If you're looking to start your own vlogging channel, the Sony ZV-1 is a great choice. Number 2. Best DSLR Camera, Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is our selection as the best DSLR camera for beginners. The camera is equipped with a DX format sensor that captures 24.2 megapixel images at 5 frames per second and records 1080p videos at 60 frames per second. It has a 3-inch TFT display, and Nikon's renowned X-Speed image processing lets you capture vibrant photos and videos in nearly any condition. The camera has a 100 ISO to 25,600 ISO sensitivity range and up to 1/4000 shutter speed. It uses 11 autofocus points that are spread across the frame and full-time autofocus to lock on your subject and stay in focus while you capture amazing shot after shot. Auto mode delivers amazing results in nearly any situation, ensuring newcomers can easily pick up the camera and start shooting. If you want to dive deeper into photography, turn on guide mode to follow simple on-screen guidance and learn while you shoot. Download the SnapBridge app and the photos you take will appear right on your phone or tablet, so you can post to your favorite sites or share with friends and family. You can also remotely trigger the camera to take pictures with the app. If you're looking for an exceptional DSLR camera to start your photography journey, you can't go wrong with the Nikon D3500. Before we continue, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icon to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for more info. Number 1. Best Mirrorless Camera, Sony A6100. The Sony A6100 is our pick as the best mirrorless camera for beginners. The camera uses a 3:2 aspect ratio and is equipped with an Exmor APS-C sensor that can capture 24.2 megapixel images at 11 frames per second and record 4K video at 30 frames per second, letting you capture lifelike skin tones with realistic color reproduction and produce movies with extraordinary detail and realism. Its improved noise suppression feature produces cleaner images in dark settings, allowing the camera to have maximum ISO sensitivities of 32,000 native ISO and 51,200 expanded ISO for still images. The feature is particularly effective in the commonly used medium to high sensitivity range. Get super fast acquisition speed and persistent tracking, with 1/4000 shutter speed and the camera's wide autofocus coverage, which uses 425 phase detection and 425 contrast detection points. Sony's sophisticated AI-based tracking algorithm ensures your subject is in constant, steady focus. Use either real-time autofocus for humans or real-time autofocus for animals to follow your subject with reliable precision. Easily frame yourself for vlog recordings with the camera's 2.95-inch TFT display and shoot from high or low angles with the screen's 180-degree upward tilt and 74-degree downward tilt. Use a simple touch of the screen to activate touch tracking for smooth tracking of your subject, or touch focus to set the focus on your subject. Expand your movie making options with 5x slow motion and 60x quick motion without having to use a PC, and use its external microphone input for high quality audio suited for serious movie shooting. If you're looking for a great performing mirrorless option to get started with, the Sony A6100 won't disappoint. That's it for our list, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.